Hello everyone, I'm Utsav and you're watching Utsav Conference. So today's topic is something for what we all must be concerned about. It is something from the election which happened in the West Bengal recently. As we all saw the incident which unfolded in West Bengal election post counting, post result announcement where the PA of the CM of West Bengal, Chandranath Rath was assassinated on his way to his home Madhyamgram. This incident is an indication that West Bengal is again trying to adopt the culture of the political violence which was at its peak when West Bengal was under the Communist Party. After the decline of the Communist Party from the West Bengal, this culture of political violence was seen eroding, was seen weakening, but nowadays it seems to be very normalized because reaching out to the PA of the CM is not as easy and as simple as it looks like. This shows that in futuristic elections this can be done again and other political party would feel very okay for doing these kind of activities. And on the other hand, when we come to the post election politics, Mamta Banerjee, who was the ex CM of West Bengal, says that she would bring this political issue to the International Court of Justice about the manipulative election results and the misconduct in the election. Do you think that if she brings this issue to the international forum, the deep state would get active again? The adversary sitting in the eastern part of India, in the northwestern part of India, would get active again, and they would get a very swift, easy way to invade into the Indian politics and get into the fabric of political domain, which would help them to enter into the Indian politics and sabotage India in the way they want to. And since the political domain is the top most domain of the administration and governance of the nation, it is so risky, it is so threatening to us that if anyone brings the domestic issue to the international forum, we would be compromised. So I want to know your opinion as well in the comment section. What do you think about this? Whether the political shift where BJP won the election is good for West Bengal or it is going to bring some more disasters to it. Thank you very much.